So what is a personal vaporizer? A personal vaporizer is a device that vaporizes a glycerin-based liquid, often known as juice. It's made up of three main parts, which are a battery, an atomizer and a mouthpiece. Inside the mouthpiece is a cartridge filled with polyester wool which has been soaked in the juice. When you draw on the mouthpiece, the battery activates and it heats up the atomizer. At the same time, juice is being forced into the atomizer and it becomes vaporized, producing results like this. So now let's look at those three main parts in a little bit more detail. So here we have the three main parts of your personal vaporizer. The first part is the battery. On one end you have a screwed thread, and on the other end you have an LED that will light up when activated. You then have your atomizer, which also has a screwed thread, and on the other end, if you look closely, you can see the steel wick that soaks up the juice. Underneath that steel wick is the heating coil. And lastly, you have your mouthpiece, and inside the mouthpiece is a cartridge filled with the polyester wool which has been soaked in the juice. The atomizer and battery screw together, and the mouthpiece simply slots in place. And that is your complete personal vaporizer. Okay, so when your battery runs out, you'll need to recharge it. To do this, you simply unscrew it from the atomizer and then you get your mains charger. On one end you'll have a plug, which you simply put into a plug socket, and on this part of the charger there will be a hole for you to screw the battery into. Simply screw it into place, and then the LED on the end of the battery will flash several times and the light here will turn to red. It will stay red until it is fully charged, and then it will turn to green. Once light has turned to green, simply remove the battery and reconnect it to your atomizer. And then you're good to go.